Hello everyone, welcome to HMI online training. In this video, we will learn the last two switch component, data transferring and recipe transmission. Firstly, we get started from the data transferring switch. Click component switch data transferring. The action can be press and release. When the press is selected, data transmission will be started when the component is pressed down. And when release is selected, data transmission will be executed when the component is released. And here you can choose is from one-way transfer or two-way transfer. Generally is defaulted to one-way transfer. And the data type means the type of data to be transmitted. It can be bit or word. Then the transmission words. It can be constant and variable. For if set variable, the register address must be designated and the maximum number of words transmitted in software is 8,192. Then source address. It means the first address of data to be transmitted. And here you can choose the device according to the actual situation. And the destination address also need to be corresponding to the actual situation. The last switch component, recipe transmission. Switch, then recipe transmission. The recipe transmission component includes the two transmission directions: download the recipe to PLC or upload the recipe from PLC. Download the recipe to PLC means that transmit the content of recipe file to the address of PLC, and upload means transmit data from the address of PLC to the recipe file. For this recipe transmission switch, its default setting is for the transmission direction. And when no recipe file is created, the recipe source address will be blank with a red mark. You can click the button of the recipe settings to create a new recipe. It can refer to the recipe video. And after the recipe is created, you can select it in recipe source address here to download. And the number of the words is determined by the recipe itself, and it always displays automatically. Then PLC address. You need to choose the actual external device and select the and set the address is corresponding to the PLC. Also, you can click here. Then OK. About notice bit address. And the bit address can be set here to monitor the recipe downloading state. To check if it download completed. Okay. That's all for this video. Thanks for your watching.